A new cannabis dispensary opened a few weeks ago. Let's check out Itopia.
Another herb house opens in Kingston. Welcome to the launch of Itopia Life. Rory, the official DJ for the launch of Itopia Life tonight. Wagwan. No herb?
I was smoking a while ago, and I'll be smoking again shortly after.
Oh, this is your intermission?
That's right, sir.
What do you think about the whole space? What do you think about the whole brand?
Beautiful. I mean, it's nice that we have these places now. You know, they're all over the place. You know, and it's really nice.
You're on a car, run me out of court, this a here at all.
This is good for us. This signals the expansion of our medicinal marijuana industry. And we want to see more of this. We want to see more companies investing in Jamaica.
Police car all and pull me up on the wall. The ganja split.
For so long, ganja has been dismissed. It's this little thing, it's for time wasters, it's for recreation only. But right now, in a real sense, we're able to explore this thing, and everybody knows that.
Oh, what a lovely draw of birds. I'm smoking from the chalawa, yes, it's good for my nerves.
Been to Amsterdam, and when you walk into the cafes there, like, it's so Jamaican, so it's about time that Jamaica catches on to it, you know?
Load up the Gucci for you and yours, and this one is for his and hers. The doctors and the nurses said it's the best medication. Bunny 3 times daily for good medication.
And you're a man, you've traveled the whole world, you know, I mean, you've seen what the field has to offer. You know, you think we can catch up?
It can take us a couple of years, but I think we can get here. I think the biggest question is, do we have the culture for herb houses? Do we have the culture people used to buying on the streets or somebody delivering to them? So it's a whole change of the culture for us. It's to go to a place and be served like a coffee shop.
I think the product's good. I like the authenticity of it. I like the fact that they've incorporated a lot of Jamaica in it. So when you go in and you look at the different treatments, Pawpaw, Rude Boy, Halfway Tree, I kind of like that kind of Jamaican-ness that we've brought to it.
What do you think about the whole opening tonight?
It's a big moment. It's a big moment, you know. Rastafari, very discriminated against in this country, telling this story for a long, long time. And then, you know, this happened, you know. And as a result of that, we have to be a part of the conversation, you know. It's happening, so we can't say nothing right or nothing wrong. It's a process.
Tell me what am I fight the ganja for? Is it because every time the youths them take a draw, them see and saw the ranks of Babylonian law, and them no want to follow.
Herb culture taken to another level. Itopia Life. Well,